everyone, welcome to another RouterGods video. My name is Humphrey Cheung, and this is going to be a cool video about ODR, which is on-demand routing. On-demand routing uses CDP to learn about other routes, and it's very simple. All you need to do is one command on the central router. In our case, it's going to be R1. So just taking a quick look at the topology, it is a 4-router topology. R1 is in the middle. We have our standard loopbacks of all 1s, all 2s, all 3s, and all 4s. And IP addresses in between each router, 101012x, 101013x, 101014x. All my routers are already up and the IP addresses are in there. And all I have to do to get full connectivity between my routers is a single command. And before we do that, let me just show you IP route, show IP route here. So all we have are connected routes. I cannot reach any of the loopbacks. That's going to time out. And if I ping all 3s and all 4s, I'm going to get the same response. So let's show CDP just to make sure CDP is running. You can see that CDP is running every 60 seconds. And to start this off, router ODR. That's it. Now the thing is, because it runs on top of CDP, we have to wait for these CDP packets to hit before we can see anything in our routing table. And while we're waiting for that, let me just move this terminal window over and explain to you what ODR actually does. These spoke routers here, these routers on the edges, are going to learn a default route and they're going to point to R1. So they're going to learn an all zeros route getting to R1. R1 is going to learn about all the connected routes or connected interfaces on R2, R3, and R4. So this is pretty awesome stuff. Let's see if R1 is back. Hit the up arrow and you can see right there we have some O routes. We have the 2s, the 3s, still waiting on number 4. Any day now, number 4 is going to come back up. But what you can see here is I can now ping all 2's addresses, the loopback of router 2. See, that's pretty awesome. And I can ping router 3. And that's pretty cool too. So what this allows you to do is you could send this off to, if you have ODR configured on your hub router, you could ship your router off to the spoke routers off to another department. Let's say they don't know Cisco very much, so you tell them, okay, just plug it in, turn it on, and it will find the hub router. So pretty cool stuff. Let's see if router 4 is in our routing table. Still waiting on router 4. Let me just see what's happening on router 4. Pull that window in there. Show IP route. Still waiting. Show IP int BR. Whoa, okay. That that would be a problem. Our interfaces aren't up. So let's fix that. Conf T interface fast. Let's do the loopback first. That's a /32 and int fast00 IP address 10.10.14.4. And now we should be good. We'll have to wait for CDP to catch up and send that ODR information. Show IP route. Okay, we only know about ourselves. And we probably should no shut that interface. And now we should be good. Okay, so we have our connected routes. We're going to wait for ODR. Now you could speed all this up by changing the CDP timers if you wanted to. The default is 60 seconds. You might want to change them down to every 30 seconds or so. If you're in a lab situation and you only have 6 hours to go, this might be something to do. Let me just pull back in router 1. Whoops. Duplex mismatch R4. Okay, we can fix that. Conf T interface fast 10, speed 100, duplex full, and we'll have to do the same thing on R4. Speed 100, duplex full, And now life should be good, hopefully. Show IP route. And we have our all fours address. Look at that. So one command, well, I guess if you count all the duplex stuff, a little bit more than one command. But you can see that ODR, all you need to do is a single line on R1, and it's going to find all of your spoke routers. Now, as you probably noticed, look at this. This is our administrative distance for ODR, which is 160. So pretty much whatever routing protocol you install is going to supersede the 160 administrative distance. Even RIP is going to blow that away. So just be careful there if you have ODR mixing with anything else. Let's take a look at the spoke routers just to see how they look, how the routing table looks on R4. We have an all zeros route. See that O there stands for ODR. The default route is going to router 1. So watch this. If I ping the loopback of router 1, I'll be able to get there. And I can ping all the way over to router 2 from router 4. Not a problem. So that's pretty cool stuff. ODR, on-demand routing. Thanks for watching.